I'd like to welcome a new car to the family, my new baby, GTR. There is a hit right here, which I think, honestly, either one, I'm gonna attempt to fix it because it's just this right here. That's it, just a dent. Get on the inside, hammer it out, a little bit of body work and whatnot. We got some black housing headlights, a new grill, or a different grill, or a grill. I don't know what it is I'm doing. It's still early, guys. And a front lip kit already. So all black interior. This right here is like the only flaw with the entire interior, but that's fine because I plan on getting different seats anyways. Before you guys hate, yes, it is an automatic, but it's Tiptronic, and finding one in a 6-speed was far beyond out of my range. So this is pretty much it right here. Very beautifully done. I was a little confused at first because I thought I was missing a collar to lock it, but it somehow locks in place. Compressor should kick on. Guys, so there it is. She's sitting low. Almost fender to lip up front. I know I can probably get that to sit on the floor. That lip kit is on the floor. However, I'm pretty sure I can get it to sit lower. I just have to look under. If not, that's pretty good height. The rear, however, this alignment, or this side, it's a little bit more cambered in. Bros. There it is. Now all I have to say is I took a test seat in it and it's low. So either one, I'm gonna need to put spacers on the bottom because it's insane low. We ended up going with the OG design front bumper. I was gonna get the Gt3, but it being fiberglass and all, I didn't want to risk it, so went with this. Alright guys, so I'm actually doing this part of the video here at work because it's dead. Coronavirus is going around. There's nobody here, but we got protection just in case. Did get to drive that beautiful thing. Oh, so sick. Anyways guys, so yeah, as you guys saw, in 1 year this car has definitely transformed a lot. So what I want to do while I can right here at work is I want to go ahead and kind of just walk through it and show you everything that I did, and then maybe when I get home talk about what's to come. So moving to the front, or starting at the front of the car, as you can see we have the depot clear housing headlights. We have I believe this was actually, I forget what the name of the grill was, but we got the new grill. Went with the OG Designs front bumper. I don't have them in right now, but I do have the black clear housing corner lights. A question or a concern a lot of you guys have for the wheels, these are the ESM 015 or something like that wheels. As you can see, we changed those out as well. These are for the LS400. These were temporarily for this car. These are not going to be staying, guys, so please bear with me on that. I forget what the side skirts are called, but we got new side skirts. And then coming to the rear, we have the Gt3 rear bumper. Went ahead and changed that up as well. And the whole reason for that, from my old rear end setup that I used to have, was we got hit, as a lot of you guys know, on this side. Went ahead and fixed it. This entire quarter panel was smashed in. Pretty proud of myself for being able to pull that off and making it look how it looks. As you can see, we got the window louvers. These are the depot clear housing taillights. A lot of you guys also don't really like those, but I bought them for a reason. Bear with me, guys. They're not going to be staying like that. Just wait on it. Coming on to the other side, got the ooh, this actually looks like it's coming off a little bit. Probably gonna have to refix these, but we got the carbon fiber mirror caps. That looks beautiful. I love that, and I love how I made this the same color of the car instead of keeping it black. For the exterior, guys, that's basically about it. As other than the color change, we went with Nardo gray. So moving to the interior, go ahead and unlock it. Coming to the interior, as you can see, we got the red NRG seats. Went ahead and just wrapped these in black. Did that in velvet with the custom remote insert. Check that video out. NRG quick release, carbon fiber steering wheel. We got the pillars also wrapped in velvet, just like that, and also right there wrapped in velvet. For the interior, guys, honestly, that's pretty much about it. It's, for the most part, pretty stock. Nothing is really done, but like I said, we're gonna go over everything that's to come. The interior should be transforming, hopefully somewhat in the near future. You guys can see the car definitely has transformed a lot within the past year. Definitely happy with the outcome. Oh, also the exhaust, pretty much you guys just recently saw that video, but if you didn't, we have the OEM cats into a, I forget what the brand name is, but an aftermarket high flow resonator into an aftermarket white pipe, 2.5 inch piping into tips, pretty much a muffler delete basically. Yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome of the car. It's definitely come an extremely long way since I got it. Did not know this is how it was gonna look, but here she is, and I am extremely happy. Extremely happy. I absolutely love how it looks, and the things that are to come are just going to take it that much further. So let's go over some stuff that you guys can expect in the future. All right, so starting in the rear, as I said, guys, these taillights are not going to be staying like this. We are going to be doing something a bit custom with them. That's all that I'm going to say. I'm not going to give it away, so you guys are just going to have to stay tuned for it. But definitely the taillights are going to be changing. As you can see, we took out our old third brake light. I have the other one already fully made and everything that just needs to go in, so you could be expecting that in the near future. Wheels, as soon as my LS400 sells, I plan on buying some wheels So that's going to be awesome. It's really going to make the car, I feel like, because these wheels I don't think look bad, but it doesn't go with the car. I do agree with a lot of you guys, but it is getting annoying saying that these wheels were never meant for this car, guys. So bear with me. But once the LS400 sells, I already have a set of wheels in mind that I would love to get. Possibly some side splitters, but that's not a for sure. We are going to be re-changing up the front bumper. This bumper is in two pieces of the wrap, the top portion and then the bottom portion. The whole bottom portion does need to get redone, and when it does, I'm going to be making those pieces the same color as the car, but just keeping that piece right there black. I think that's just going to look overall a lot cleaner, and yeah, I think it's just going to look a lot better. Exterior wise, guys, that's pretty much about it for right now. I do have plans of getting rid of this front bumper and going with the Gt3 front end when it's done and made in poly, if somebody's interested in purchasing it, that is. All right, guys, got pulled into work, but like I was saying, yeah, I would like to get the Gt3 front bumper. I think it'll just make the car look overall a lot more aggressive, and that's sort of what I'm going for, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So for the exterior, that's pretty much about it. I do plan on doing some custom hood vents, trying to still figure that whole thing out. So for now, that's on hold, but for the exterior, guys, that's pretty much it for now that you could expect in the near future. And then also a color change. I'm already thinking of some colors, but that's not going to be for quite a few months. So let's go ahead and move to the interior. This key is like dying, I think. So for the interior, I am planning on running possibly different seats, just because I work on my car a lot and the red is so nice, but it's really hard to clean, especially when you work on your car a lot. Like I said, it gets dirty pretty quickly. So maybe changing these out, not 100% sure yet. Otherwise, for the most part, I love them. I'm going to be wrapping some more panels in velvet within the dash area, just to kind of tie in more to the theme. I am going to be getting a whole new center piece, in-dash radio or a double DIN radio, hopefully within the near future. That's definitely the plan. And then we'll be putting, for the most part, that's going to be that whole section, and then all of this, I want to either buy a new one or repaint those back to silver, just so that all looks stock, because I think the black, silver, and red definitely is a cool color combo. Headliner I plan on redoing as well, velvet black, of course. Planning on getting new what do you want to call it, floor mats, hopefully within the near future, diamond stitched, just to kind of make the car look a little bit classy, I guess you can say. I guess for the most part, guys, that's pretty much everything you guys could expect within the near future. And then moving to the engine bay, I do plan on running some stuff. I do need to change out the valve cover gaskets, valve covers, because I do have that oil leak that still needs to be fixed. When the LS sells, that's also something that I really do want to work on as well. So you guys can expect that. When that time comes, we're going to be putting on the Platinum spacer, and then I plan on possibly running new pulleys, lighter weight pulleys that are polished. I think that'll look really cool. And then of course a strut bar, all of that good stuff. So yeah, guys, be expecting some engine bay videos also in the near future. So hope that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed my 1-year transformation, and hopefully you guys are looking forward to everything that's to come in the near future. If you guys aren't already, please make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up. It really does help my channel a lot, especially with everything that's going on. Hours are getting cut here. Hotels possibly going to be getting shut down in the very near future. So with your guys' help and support, just by watching, hitting that thumbs up, and sharing my videos, it really does help my channel a lot. Everything I make off my channel gets invested right back into the channel. So please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and share my videos if you guys enjoy them. I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, as always, peace out.